Have you ever feel empty inside? Lost without direction? Not sure what to do with your life? Relax, because today we're going to read something that will change your destiny. Yes, hello, world. Alright, step 1. Open VS Code. Step 2. Create a new file and save it in your Documents folder. Okay, now type this set and press tab. Boom, HTML magic. Now inside the body tag type. And there it is. Congratulations, your first masterpiece. You are officially a programmer. And I think you can now update your LinkedIn bio and proudly read Open to Work. And again, congratulations, legend. You did it.